In this video, I'll show you how to use Base44 to turn your ideas into a fully functional app in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, I'm logging into the platform using my Google account for a quick and seamless start. Once the dashboard loads, I'm greeted with a simple prompt box where I can describe exactly what I want to build. For this tutorial, I'm typing in a request to create a simple dashboard for a small bakery business that tracks daily sales and flour inventory. After I click the Generate button, the AI takes over and begins building the entire application from scratch. While the loading screen is active, the platform is busy designing the layout, setting up the backend, and even generating sample data to help me visualize the final product. Once the process is complete, our new app is ready to view. The main dashboard features clear, professional stats for today's revenue, total sales, current flour stock, and total items sold. I can easily toggle between different views like the sales and flour stock pages using the navigation menu at the top to see more detailed lists of recent transactions. To customize the app further, I'll switch over to Edit mode. This allows me to select individual elements, like these data cards, to adjust their visual style or functionality. If I need a specific change, I can simply type it into the chat box at the bottom. Here, I'm typing 1000 to update a specific value, and the AI automatically processes the request to refine the element for me. With Base44, going from a basic idea to a finished, customized app is as simple as having a conversation. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.